Excuse me, my son. Leo, year 3. He has not come out. Daniel, something has happened. Leo has not come out of school. Come now, please.
Not in the toilets. Not in the changing rooms.
Nothing.
Dad?
What?
What?
Why are you at school?
Leo, I was very scared today when you did not come out. I was very scared.
Did you get the note about the early close next Friday?
Yes, I think so. Are you picking up Maya today?
Excuse me, my son. Leo, year 3. He has not come out.
Mrs. Chen? Hello, I am Miss Garcia, Leo's teacher. Please come in. Where is he?
He always comes out with his class. Always. We are looking for him right now. He was in class until 2:50. After that, we are not sure.
Not sure?
He is 8 years old. How are you not sure?
I understand. We will find him. The school is not large. He is here.
Daniel, something has happened. Leo has not come out of school. Come now, please.
I am coming. Stay calm. I am 5 minutes away. Stay calm, Sarah.
Leo? Leo, are you in here?
Not in the toilets. Not in the changing rooms.
Nothing. The library. He loves the library. Have you checked the library? This way. The library is at the end of the East Corridor.
Where is she? Where is Sarah? Which door?
Leo.
He is asleep. He is absolutely fine.
He is just asleep.
He is where?
In the library. Asleep. On the beanbag. With his backpack still on.
With his backpack still on.
He came to the library at afternoon break.
We think he just...
Did not leave. He did not leave. He found a good book, sat on the beanbag, and fell asleep. In school. During pickup time.
That is our son.
Leo! Leo, wake up! Leo.
5 more minutes.
Leo, get up! Right now, please!
Dad?
What?
What?
Why are you at school?
Leo. What time do you think it is?
Afternoon break? I just sat down for 1 minute. I was reading.
Leo, it is 3:45. School finished 30 minutes ago.
Oh.
3:45. I fell asleep.
Yes, you fell asleep in the school library.
during pickup time.
Huh?
While we were looking for you.
You were looking for me?
The whole school was looking for you.
Because of me? The whole school? Miss Garcia and everyone?
Yes, Leo. Because of you. We were very worried.
I am sorry. I did not know I was going to fall asleep. It just happened.
What were you reading? What book was so good that you fell asleep in school?
That one is very good. It is about a boy who discovers a secret door in his school.
You fell asleep at the exciting part.
I know. I want to know what happens with the door. Can I borrow the book?
Yes, you can borrow the book. Now please take off your backpack. Say goodbye and thank you to Miss Garcia.
Goodbye, Miss Garcia. Thank you for finding me and for the book.
Leo, can you explain to me exactly what happened today?
At afternoon break, I went to the library. I found this book. I sat on the beanbag to read the first page. And then it was 3:45.
And then it was 3:45.
It is a very good book, Dad.
Leo, I was very scared today when you did not come out. I was very scared.
I am sorry, Mom. I did not mean to scare you. I was just sleeping.
From now on, when school finishes, you come outside. Yes?
Yes. But what if I am reading a very good book?
Then you put a bookmark in, and you come outside. And you finish the book at home.
That is a very good solution, Mom. You are very smart.
She is, Leo. She really is.
She really is.
Can I read my book now? I want to know about the door.
Yes. Read your book. We will be home in 8 minutes.
Sarah. Are you okay?
I am okay. I am very okay. He is right there and I am very okay.
Wash your hands. Dinner in 20 minutes.
Can I read until dinner? I want to know about the door. I am very close to the door part.
The door. Yes. Go. But wash your hands first.
Sarah, what are we gonna do about today? Should we talk to the school?
I spoke to Miss Garcia already. She is going to do a library check at the end of every school day.
For the whole class. A library check. For the whole class. Because of Leo.
He did not mean to. He just found a very good book.
Should we be worried that he fell asleep in school?
He stayed up until 10:30 last night reading that book. I saw his light.
You saw his light, and you did not turn it off.
He was reading. He was enjoying it. I could not turn it off.
So, he stayed up until 10:30. He came to school tired. He fell asleep in the library. We searched the entire school. The school changed its daily procedure.
Yes, that is correct.
I found out about the door. It is an amazing door. Can I tell you about the door?
After dinner. You can tell us about the door after dinner.
But what if I forget the good parts?
You will not forget. You read it 1 minute ago. Sit down. The food is ready.
Hey, are you learning English? Did anything funny ever happen to you at school? Tell me below. And subscribe right. We have a new story every single week.